Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a close and honest look at the 2025 PVC Pipe Traction Machine, a powerful, modern solution designed to move, pull, and handle PVC pipes with precision, safety, and efficiency. If you're in construction, plumbing, or industrial pipe installation, this machine could completely change the way you work. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is the solid, industrial-grade build. The 2025 model features a reinforced steel frame with anti-corrosion coating, making it ideal for both indoor factories and outdoor job sites. The traction rollers are wide, deeply grooved, and engineered to grip PVC pipes firmly without damaging the surface. Compact yet rugged, the machine is designed to fit easily into tight workspaces, while still delivering serious pulling power. Moving to the interior, this is where the real engineering shines. Inside, precision-aligned traction rollers work in perfect synchronization to ensure smooth, consistent pipe movement. Advanced tension control keeps the pipe stable, reducing vibration and preventing slippage. High-quality bearings and low-friction components mean quieter operation, reduced wear, and long-term reliability even during extended working hours. Now let's go under the hood. The 2025 PVC Pipe Traction Machine is powered by a high-efficiency motor built for continuous industrial use. Intelligent control systems allow operators to adjust speed and traction force with extreme accuracy, giving you full control over different pipe diameters and thicknesses. Energy efficiency has also been improved this year, helping reduce power consumption while maintaining strong performance. When it comes to price, the 2025 PVC Pipe Traction Machine offers excellent value for money. Depending on capacity, motor power, and automation level, pricing typically starts from a competitive entry range and scales up for heavy-duty industrial models. Considering its durability, precision, and productivity boost, it's a smart investment that pays for itself over time. Safety is a major highlight in this model. Emergency stop buttons are positioned for quick access. Protective covers shield moving parts, and overload protection systems prevent mechanical damage.